Wise personal account Pakistan. So watch this first before you try to open one. So a quick, very simple answer, so you don't have to um take all this. You don't have to watch the entire video. But I'm just gonna explain to you a few stuffs. The quick answer is no. You can't open an account in Pakistan um, with your Wise. So yeah, because it has a few restrictions. So there, short answer. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry about that, guys. But you can send bank to bank transfer to Pakistan or Wise to bank to Pakistan bank. You can do that, but you cannot open an account right there. You cannot open an account using the Wise right here. So sorry about that, but you can send money from Wise to Pakistani bank. Yeah, you can do that, but you cannot open a Wise account there. So that's one of the bad news. But the good thing is you can send money or receive money with a Pakistan bank. But when you're gonna create one, you cannot create a Wise account. As of now, um, it's uh, it's August 2. So as of now, there's no confirmed that you can create an account. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's about it. But if you're in another country, you can go down to a description down below and download the Wise right there. It will help the channel out. Anyways, guys, there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, feel free to type it down in the comment section below, guys. And we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. And there you go, guys. See you guys on the next one, and thank you, guys.